We're gonna do the last, one of the first big singles that we had in the States. Thank you to everyone. Thank you for having us, guys. Seriously, even though we're all complaining about how early it is. Thank you for having us and playing our stuff so anyone knows who the hell we are. This is a song called You're Going Down that we put together acoustically. But like we did the last one, I need you guys to do, when we get to that, You're Going Down, you gotta help me out because you're like so crazy that you'll actually do it. And then everyone will follow suit.
He will.
Makes me want it more, cause I'm hyped up out of control. If it's a fight, I'm ready to go. I wouldn't put my money on the other guy if you know what I know. It's been a long time coming, and the tables turn around. One of us is going, one of us is going down. I'm not running, it's a little different now. One of us is going, yeah, one of us is going down.
Yeah, but we're gonna do it better on the next one though. All my friends in the back, you gotta come with us one time.
I don't need fun, to meet someone getting it done. I feel the heat coming on the back time, so we get ready for another one. Just take a trip down memory lane, the words circulating in the brain. And you treat it like I'm not around saying, but don't cry, no bitch when you feel that pain. It's been a long time coming, and the tables turn around. One of us is going, yeah, one of us is going down. I'm not running, it's a little different now. One of us is going, one of us is going down. This is Hollywood, we're fighting for, but it's a little place that I can't know. And my fist hits your face, and your face hits the floor. It'll be a long time coming, I bet you got the message now.
Real big one time.
I was never going, yeah, I'm the one that's going down. It's a little different now. One of us is going, yeah, one of us is going down.
It's the most crazy epic water gun fight anywhere on YouTube. It's all good. Who were the dudes in the water guns? Was that stock footage?
Oh yeah, the video clip. Someone's kid.
Someone's
kid, the producer's kid, something like that. I remember the one kid that had like an attitude on it because he'd been in a commercial.